Okay guys, 2019 Silverado replacing the top caps if you're going to change them from chrome to a color. This is how you do it. I kind of already have it disassembled because it's easier. I also have essential hand trimmers, so I apologize for the camera shaking because it's just me. Tilt the mirror all the way forward. Coat the mirror with tape in case it does break, but it's not going to. Then bend it down from behind with a screwdriver or even a piece of wood dowel, wood flat, something flat. You want to get behind and press on tabs. Here's a better shot of the tabs. You got one here, you got one here, one here that you can actually push up and release, and it'll release the rest. Once you get that done, you got T15 torque here, T15 torque there. Take them out. Then the next thing you got to do is with a little screwdriver up in here, push in this way to release the tab and that way to release the tab. Same thing down here, same thing up here, and it'll pop off from the top, but you still have another tab left, which you can see right here, this tab here. And point two. You got to release it from up inside here. Once you do that, you can pull it away. And then you don't have to take the wires off the mirror. You can if you want, but the mirror will fit through the cover housing. I apologize again, just trying to make it easier. Now, it's hard to see. Maybe you can zoom in, I don't know. But up here in the corner, inside here, are more pincher type tabs that click out. So you want to be able to push them together to release them to push the top off. Same thing up inside here. Does the same thing. And then down here, as you can see, are the others. Right here. Sorry. Once you do that, you can push them and the top will just pop right off. You got a little tab here that doesn't get in the way. I don't know why it's there. It kind of looks like an S shape, but it just fits into a slot. Same with over there, it fits into a slot. So once you put your new one on, you want to make sure you come down straight and then come towards you to pop those into place and to pop this one into place and this bottom one into place, and you'll hear them snap. Once they're snapped, you're good to go. You also got alignment tabs here that go up against the stop to the top part. So as long as it's behind there, you're good. Not underneath it, but behind it. You want to make sure it's behind it. Then basically it's a reverse back together. Feed the mirror back through and then put the outer shroud cover back on. They'll just pop into place. Once they pop into place, you put your T15 screws back in and just pop your mirror back on and you're good to go. Again, I apologize for the shaking. It's not the greatest thing having essential hand tremors, but that's part of life. Hopefully this helped others. It's not just a simple pop the top off and pop the new piece on. You have to literally take the mirror off, take the outer cover and back of the mirror off to get to the tabs to release the top piece. So hope this will help somebody. Sit back, have a cold one of your favorite choice, and good day.